In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Photopea Error Code 502, also known as the bad gateway error. This error usually means that Photopea's gateway server received an invalid response from one of its back-end servers. It can happen because of a temporary traffic spike, a server restart, a network routing problem, or an issue with your own browser or connection. The good news is that a 502 error is often temporary and can usually be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. If this guide helps you fix Photopea, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more software tutorials and quick fixes. Let's get started. First, refresh the Photopea page. On Windows, press F5 on your keyboard or click the reload button beside the address bar. On a Mac, press Command and R together or use the reload button in your browser. A 502 error can occur when Photopea is experiencing a short-term traffic spike or when one of its servers is restarting. Refreshing the page forces your browser to request a new connection, and in many cases, Photopea will begin loading normally after a few seconds. Try refreshing the page 2 or 3 times with a short pause between each attempt. Avoid repeatedly refreshing very quickly because that may create additional requests without solving the underlying issue. If refreshing does not work, the next step is to open Photopea in an incognito or private browsing window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N together in most browsers. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. You can also open the private window through your browser's menu. Once the private window is open, visit photopea.com and check whether the editor loads. If Photopea works in private mode, the problem is probably related to your normal browser session. A browser extension, corrupted cookie, or outdated cached file may be interfering with the connection. Extensions that block scripts, ads, trackers, or network requests can sometimes prevent web applications from communicating correctly with their servers. If Photopea works in incognito mode, return to your regular browser window and temporarily disable extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, VPN extensions, and security add-ons. Then reload Photopea and test the site again. If the problem continues, clear the browser data specifically connected to Photopea. Open your browser settings and find a section for privacy, security, cookies, or site data. Search for photopea.com, then remove its stored cookies and cached files. You do not necessarily need to delete all browsing data from every website. Removing the data for Photopea is usually enough and helps preserve your saved sessions on other sites. After clearing the site data, completely close the Photopea tab, open a new tab, go to photopea.com again, and test whether the 502 message has disappeared. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of the website, so make sure you know any login details you may need. The next thing to check is your network connection, including VPNs and proxies. If you are using a VPN, disconnect it temporarily and reload Photopea. VPN servers can sometimes have routing problems, blocked addresses, or slow connections to the services used by Photopea. If you are using a proxy, disable it temporarily as well. Then try opening Photopea again. If the site works after disconnecting the VPN or proxy, the problem is likely related to that network route rather than Photopea itself. You should also consider whether you are using a school, office, library, or corporate network. Restricted networks may use firewalls, content filters, or security policies that block communication with certain web services. To test this, connect your computer to a different network, such as a trusted mobile hotspot, and open Photopea again. If Photopea loads on the alternate connection, the original network is probably blocking or interrupting the connection to Photopea's backend servers. In that situation, contact the network administrator or try using an approved connection. Do not bypass workplace or school security policies without permission. If none of these steps work, wait a few minutes and try again. Because error 502 is often caused by a temporary server-side problem, the issue may resolve automatically once Photopea's servers recover. You can also test other websites to confirm whether your internet connection is working normally. If every other website loads but Photopea continues showing a 502 error, the problem may be affecting Photopea specifically. If possible, check Photopea's official channels or status updates for information about an outage or maintenance event. To recap, start by refreshing the Photopea page. Then test the site in an incognito or private window. If that works, disable problematic extensions and clear Photopea's cached files and cookies. Next, disconnect any VPN or proxy and test a different network if you are using a restricted school or corporate connection. Finally, wait a few minutes if the error appears to be server-side. And that's how to troubleshoot Photopea Error Code 502 and get back to editing. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tutorials, browser fixes, and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.